Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour. The market is in the green now. 18,095 is what we have on the Nifty. So we've moved into positive territory. The banks are where a lot of the strength is coming through today. And that one is up 0.7% on the Nifty Bank. But let's shift focus and talk about the commodity space now. Manisha Gupta joins us. And today she's looking at the crude prices. Manisha.
Well, thank you for that, Pavitra. Well, yes, we have seen resilience come in for the crude oil prices. It has been quite choppy in the last 24 hours, but as you can see, even after a 75 basis point rate hike, which was well factored in, and the expectation that you could be looking at higher interest rates going forward, the prices continue to hold at around 3-week highs. So almost $96 per barrel for the Brent prices and very close to 90 for the WTI crude prices as well. The US Fed chair did say that ultimate level of rates will be higher than previously expected. Even with that, we've seen markets continue to hold firm, not just for crude, but most of the energy as a sector and the metal space as well. It also is about the Bank of England monetary policy meeting today, and a 75 basis point rate hike is expected out of that too. That is what the markets will keep an eye on now. Apart from that, it is about the European Union embargo that comes in place on 5th of December on Russian oil, and that seems to be adding some premium to prices because of supply concerns there. And then it has been about Saudi Arabia sharing intelligence on possible attacks from Iran. So some geopolitical premium also working its way into the prices there. The fall in US crude inventories by 3.1 million is something that the markets were not factoring in. There was an expectation of an increase in inventories, but a decline in inventories has been supportive too. If you look at the OPEC and allies moves, they're also going to cut output by 2 million barrels per day in the month of November. But at this point in time, in the month of October as well, their production has been much lesser than their agreed quota of 26.6 million barrels per day. It is down, it is less by, or it is a shortfall of 1.36 million barrels per day there. It's only Algeria and UAE perhaps which are actually producing in excess to the agreed quota. Rest all the OPEC members are producing lower. The markets also are watching out for the winter demand, and ahead of that, the expectation is that you are perhaps bracing for higher crude oil prices going forward.
Thank you very much for that. It's time now for another corporate conversation.